Creating short-form video scripts with AI is easier than you think, and today I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. If you've been struggling with writing scripts quickly or just want to optimize your process, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to create compelling scripts for your short-form videos in minutes, not hours. First off, let's talk about the power of AI in script writing. With the right software, you can instantly generate ideas, structure your video, and even write out your dialogue. It's a huge time saver and helps you stay focused on creating, not writing. The first thing you'll want to do is pick a clear topic. For short-form videos, the key is to keep it focused and engaging. You want your message to be quick and easy to digest, whether it's educational, funny, or promotional. The software we're using today excels at helping you narrow down that core message. Just plug in your topic and watch the AI give you a structured outline in seconds. It's like having a writing assistant right at your fingertips. Once you've got your outline, it's time to flesh out the script. With our software, you can simply add a few key points or bullet points, and the AI will generate detailed dialogue. This is where you really save time. No more staring at a blank screen, trying to figure out what to say next. You'll have your script in just a few minutes, and you can tweak it if needed. The AI will suggest transitions, hooks, and even calls to action that fit your style and message. Let's talk about those hooks for a second. Hooks are essential in short-form videos to grab attention right away. The software we're using will help you come up with catchy hooks that keep viewers watching. You can even generate multiple options and pick the one that fits your vibe best. If you're creating something like a tutorial or a product demo, you can use AI to craft clear instructions and concise points. It can even help you avoid fluff and get straight to the important stuff. This keeps your videos punchy and to the point, which is exactly what you want for short-form content. Now, I've tried all the most popular AI writing tools out there, but the one I recommend for creating short-form video scripts is the one I've linked in the description below. You can grab an exclusive free trial for my viewers, so if you want to follow along and create your own scripts with AI, click the link. It's exclusive to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The best part about using this software is that it helps you stay consistent with your output. Whether you're posting daily or weekly, having an AI tool that generates high-quality scripts will keep you on track without burning out. Plus, you'll improve your workflow and spend more time actually creating the videos, not struggling to write them. Here's the key takeaway. When you use AI to create short-form video scripts, you're saving valuable time and boosting your productivity. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Use the AI to generate outlines, write your scripts, and optimize your content for maximum engagement. To quickly recap, start with a clear topic, use the AI to generate an outline, flesh out your script with a few key points, and let the AI help you with hooks, transitions, and calls to action. And don't forget, you can access a free trial of the software I recommend in the description below, so grab that if you want to follow along. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.